The Corp Survivor number 1 is not as popular as its more famous sibling, the number 2. It's also not something I think I'd be reaching for first thing in the morning, but each to their own. To make it, you will need 45 ml of brandy, 20 ml of apple brandy, 20 ml of sweet vermouth, an orange zest for the garnish, a jigger, a mixing glass, a julep strainer, and a coupe glass. So as always, we're going to prepare our garnish first. I'll usually just go pretty chunky to begin with and then trim it down afterwards. Now to actually build the drink. So we're going to start with 45 ml of brandy, 20 ml of apple brandy, 20 ml of sweet vermouth. Now you want to fill your mixing glass with as much ice as you can possibly pack in there. Now we want to stir the cocktail to dilute it and chill it down. Best way is just to pop the back of your bar spoon against the inside of the mixing glass and push the ice around. Then grab your glass out from the fridge or the freezer. Use your julep strainer to hold the ice back in the mixing glass. So just to give your orange zest a little twist over the top so that you get some lovely orange oils over the surface of your drink. And serve. The Corp Survivor number 1. So now you know. A little bit Christmas puddingy.